Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Untuk topik kali ini adalah tentang simple present tense, sebuah pola kalimat yang sangat umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Bisa dikatakan bahwa hampir setiap hari kita menggunakan pola kalimat ini. Tapi karena simple present tense itu mempunyai banyak fungsi atau menyatakan beberapa hal, contohnya habitual action atau kebiasaan sehari-hari, kemudian juga general truth atau factual information. Kita batasi dulu untuk di video kali ini kita bahas simple present tense atau pola kalimat simple present tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan habitual activities atau daily activities. Bisa juga disebut dengan routines atau rutinitas sehari-hari. Contohnya, bila Anda mengatakan, saya biasanya bangun tidur pada jam 5 pagi, maka Anda katakan, I usually get up at 5 o'clock. Contoh lain misalnya, saya pergi ke kantor dengan kereta api. Maka saya katakan, I go to the office by train. Atau bisa ditambahkan dengan kata usually. I usually go to the office by train every day. Contoh lain misalnya, jam berapa biasanya Anda beranjak tidur? What time do you usually go to sleep atau go to bed? Bisa dijawab, I usually go to sleep at 10 o'clock. I usually go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Berikutnya, saya berikan contoh supaya Anda lebih paham ya dengan kalimat-kalimat yang menyatakan kebiasaan sehari-hari. I always have breakfast. I always have breakfast. Saya selalu sarapan. I usually have fried rice for breakfast. Atau I usually have some milk or coffee for breakfast. I usually have some milk or coffee for breakfast. Jadi kata have bisa digunakan untuk menyatakan makan dan minum. Kalau Anda menggunakan kata kerja eat dan drink juga bisa. Misalnya, I usually eat fried rice and drink a glass of milk for breakfast. Bisa diulangi, I usually eat fried rice and drink a glass of milk for breakfast. Nah, itu contoh-contoh kalimat simple present tense ya yang digunakan untuk menyatakan routines atau daily activities. Berikutnya saya ingin jelaskan bagaimana kita membuat kalimat positif dan negatif dalam simple present tense. Contoh ya, saya minum segelas susu setiap pagi. I drink a glass of milk every morning. Kemudian kalau saya ingin membuat kalimat negatif, misalnya jadi saya tidak minum secangkir kopi setiap pagi. Maka kalimatnya tambahkan kata bantu don't setelah subjek I. Jadi I don't drink a cup of coffee every morning. I don't drink a cup of coffee every morning. Contoh yang kedua, saya pergi ke kantor menggunakan kendaraan umum. Kalimat positifnya adalah I go to the office by public transportation. Kalau negatifnya misalnya, saya pergi ke kantor tidak naik sepeda motor. Maka saya katakan, I don't go to the office by motorcycle. Saya ulangi, I don't go to the office by motorcycle. Jadi cukup tambahkan kata bantu do not, disingkat jadi don't, setelah subjek I. Atau subjek yang lain, misalnya I, you, they, dan we. Jadi kata bantu don't dipakai untuk kata subjek atau pokok kalimat I, you, they, dan we. Tambahkan kata bantu don't untuk membuat kalimat negatif. Oke. Nah, berikutnya adalah bagaimana kita membuat kalimat tanya atau interrogatif dengan menggunakan simple present tense. Jadi sama seperti membuat kalimat negatif tadi, kita menggunakan kata bantu do, ya. Cuma posisinya bukan setelah subjek, tetapi justru sebelum subjek atau di depan subjek. Contohnya, apakah Anda minum kopi setiap pagi? Maka pertanyaannya, do you drink coffee every morning? Atau do you always drink coffee every morning? Bisa dilihat di sini. Coba silakan Anda ulangi. Contoh lain lagi, apakah Anda pergi bekerja menggunakan kendaraan umum? Do you go to work atau do you go to the office by public transportation? Pertanyaan yang lain, ya, apakah Anda selalu beranjak tidur setelah jam 12 malam? Kalimatnya maka, do you always go to bed after 12 o'clock? Saya ulangi, do you always go to bed after 12 o'clock? Nah, 3 contoh pertanyaan tadi, jawabannya yes atau no. Maka kita namakan itu yes, no question. Berikutnya, saya beri contoh pertanyaan-pertanyaan dengan menggunakan kata tanya atau question word dalam bahasa Inggris. Kata tanya what, when, atau what time, atau where misalnya. Contoh dengan kata what. Ya, misalnya saya bertanya, apa yang biasanya Anda kerjakan di pagi hari setelah bangun tidur? What do you usually do after getting up every morning? Apa yang biasanya Anda kerjakan setelah bangun tidur? Dengan where misalnya, where do you live? Where do you live? Di mana Anda tinggal? Atau where do you go to school? Pertanyaan what time juga mudah. What time do you usually get up? Jam berapa biasanya Anda bangun tidur?
Now we are going to give you an example of a dialogue about daily activities and free times. Here we go.
So Andy, what time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. And what do you do after getting up?
Well, sometimes I directly take a bath and do some subuh prayers and do some houseworking.
Oh, I see. And do you have breakfast or not?
Yeah, sometimes I have breakfast.
Do
but
you cook your breakfast by yourself?
No, my wife cooks it for me.
Oh, your wife
Ah,
does it.
yeah.
Okay. And after having breakfast, what do you usually do? Do you, let's say, go to the office directly?
No, no. I just stay at home.
You just stay at
I
home,
just stay at
yeah.
home.
So you do your job at home.
Yeah.
What a nice job, I guess. Yeah, you are lucky, man.
And what about you, Mr. Haris? What time do you wake up every day?
Well, I wake up at 3:30 actually, but I get up at 4:30. So after waking up, I just stay in my bed. I don't do anything. And then at 4:30, I take a bath and do subuh prayer like you. But I go to the mosque mostly. And after that, I go home and I do something not really special, maybe read the Holy Quran, recite the Holy Quran for around 30 minutes. And after that, I get ready for the office. Yeah, I usually leave home for the office at around 6 o'clock because, you know, my office is quite far from my house. It takes me around 2 hours sometimes by train. And I usually go to Cawang train station, and then I continue my trip from there by Transjakarta.
So you go to the office every day from Monday to
Friday. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I go to the office from Monday to Friday.
Okay.
And the weekend, Saturday, I don't do anything special, but you know, I like doing something for myself. I fix something. Let's say my motorcycle, maybe, something wrong with my motorcycle. Especially, I just fix something with the CVT of my motorcycle, and luckily I have complete tools, so I can do it by myself. I spend around maybe 1 or 2 hours, depends on the condition of the problem.
Yeah, okay.
And I also like doing with building. I mean, fix something, maybe something wrong with the tiles of my house, so I do it by myself. I fix it by myself. Yeah, mostly like that. Not really special. Yeah. So I seldom go anywhere. I
On
just stay at home.
weekends, you never
Yeah,
seldom,
very seldom. What
go
about
out.
you? What do you usually do in your free time, especially weekend?
Oh, at the weekend, I usually just laying at home and then watching TV, and sometimes I listening to music.
Music, okay. And what kind of TV program do you like?
Well, I not any program, not any specific program, but
What about
mostly,
TV series or Indonesian people say sinetron? Do you like it?
yeah, sometimes. Sometimes
Okay,
I
okay.
watch TV series.
TV series, yeah, TV
Sinetron.
series. Oh, I see. And then what about music? What kind of music do you like best?
So pop music.
Pop music. Do you have favorite singers?
Yeah, I
Who are they?
like Ebit G.Ade,
Oh, Ebit
Iwan
G.Ade.
Fales,
Okay, yeah, so ballad singer, yeah, a
ballad
ballad singer.
singers.
Okay.
Well, that's an example of a dialogue about daily activities and free time activities. We hope that you can learn more about present simple tense in a dialogue, so you can improve your English and also you can practice it with your friends. Okay, I hope you enjoy the show, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.